The Casio F-91W is a digital wristwatch that was introduced in 1991. It quickly gained popularity and has since become one of the most iconic and best-selling Casio watches models. The F-91W is known for its simple and functional design, featuring a rectangular case made of resin and a rubber strap. The watch has a digital display with a black background and a greenish-yellowish front color, providing clear visibility in various lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the Casio F-91W is its long battery life. It is powered by a small lithium battery that can last for several years, making it highly reliable for everyday use. The F-91W offers basic timekeeping functions, including displaying the time in hours, minutes, and seconds, along with the date and day of the week. It also includes an alarm function, a stopwatch, and a backlight for easy reading in the dark. Over the years, the Casio F-91W has gained a reputation for its durability and affordability. It has been favored by a wide range of users, including students, professionals, and outdoor enthusiasts, for its reliability and simplicity. However, it's worth noting that the Casio F-91W has also been controversially associated with certain incidents due to its affordability and widespread availability. The watch has been reported to be used by individuals involved in illicit activities. As a result, it has gained attention from authorities and has been scrutinized in some regions. Interesting fact: apparently, if you are wearing this watch, you are more likely to get controlled by the police at the airport. Despite the controversies surrounding its usage, the Casio F-91W remains a popular choice among watch enthusiasts for its timeless design, functionality, and affordability. It has become a cultural icon and a symbol of Casio's enduring legacy in the world of digital watches. There have been reports and speculations suggesting that Osama bin Laden, the former leader of Al-Qaeda, may have used a Casio watch, especially the Casio F-91W, as a timing device for explosive devices. These reports emerged due to information found during investigations and intelligence gathering related to terrorist activities. It's important to note that the Casio F-91W, like many other digital watches, can be used as a basic timer or alarm. There is no concrete evidence or reliable information to suggest that Osama bin Laden specifically used the Casio F-91W or any other Casio watch as a component for constructing explosive devices, so it's rather a myth. But one thing we know is that he used this watch on a daily basis. Actually, there are a lot of pictures of him wearing a Casio F-91W. Why I decided to buy this watch in 2023? The Casio F-91W has achieved iconic status and has a dedicated fan base worldwide. It has been in production for many years and it continues to be in demand, especially among individuals looking for a reliable and affordable digital watch. I decided to purchase this watch because it's very simple. That's the main reason I bought it. Sometimes I just want to cut off from all my digital distractions my Apple Watch is providing. I feel like nowadays digital objects are cluttering our lives. The digital, classic Casio F-91W reminds me of an old era when we were free people without smartphones and notifications. I purchased this watch to become a digital minimalist and stop using my Apple Watch for at least some time. But this will be a subject to a separate video. My life after Apple Watch and without Apple Watch. Stay subscribed if you're interested in this kind of videos. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel as well. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.